Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing my hair. I have my Revlon straightener. I've already turned it on. I've put it on the lowest setting, which is 310. My hair doesn't need a whole lot of heat since I started taking care of it. Before, like with this bottom part here, when I was bleaching it on the regular, I did have to turn the heat up quite a bit, but not today, not lately. I'm so proud of that fact too. It's gotten so much more healthy, and I'm glad I can use such a low setting to get my hair where I want it. I've been actually pretty partial to curling my hair, but today we're going to be heading out, so I wanted to straighten my hair so I can be able to pull it back. Most of the day I think I'm going to have it in a ponytail, so that'll come in handy. Let me start by pulling it up and sectioning it off. Sectioning. And brush it out. Look how soft that is. And it's already relatively straight because when I get out of the shower, I make sure I brush it straight, and then I try and blow dry it straight too. It's just a little bit poofier and frizzier. You got a little kinks here and there that I want to try and get out. It's been a minute too, but this is nice. Oh, hi. And then I get to see how truly long my hair is. I mean, look how nice that is. Compared to this, it's a little frizzy, a little kinky. Not that that's bad, but it's just a little much. And this is calm and so straight. Okay, perfect. And now I'm gonna do my whole head. That is nice. That is nice. I don't really like section it off once I get to like these bigger parts. I don't exactly section it off into specific areas just because I want to grab whatever is going to stay in my straightener. And then I'll do that and then move on to the rest. But one way or another, I get it all. I do that little trick there just because I see a lot of girls who walk around who have like their hair beautifully straightened. It's nice. And then right in the back in the middle, you can see like they pulled the hair to one side, they pulled the hair to the other side, and they got most of it straightened up until like the back right next to the root. and it's still got the little waves, or it's still frizzy, or you can tell that part wasn't touched. So just to cover myself, when I do each layer, I come into the back when I join both sides. I go ahead and I straighten them together. That way I can make sure I got that covered. I don't want to be that girl. And then what I do with the top part here is I take it, oh, hi. I take it and I really try to straighten it back, just because I don't want it to do the whole part all the way down the middle. So what I do is I'll straighten it backwards, just so it's gotten the idea that's where I want it to go. And I'll try and do my ends first. I'll pull them forward, get them straightened out so I'm not bending my arm way back there. And just put these, get these straight, and now I'm gonna work on the middle. And I mean, of course it's gonna come forward. That's what hair does naturally. But I'm trying to pull it back and give that idea that that's where I want it to go. And then with this front part here, I'll leave that part, that middle part. So I'm just gonna come in and straighten these out to the sides. And that is pretty much it. I want it straight today, just because I know I'm going to be pulling it back in a ponytail. I'm probably going to be braiding it. This will make it a lot easier. And it's very soft. I like my Remington. Yeah, I like my Remington straightener. It has the heat setting. It goes from 310 all the way to 410. It's actually not too bad. I have seen a few other ones out there. I know I have a Hot Tools curling iron, so I wanted to try out the straighteners, but then I also heard the, oh, what is that one? The one Kendall Jenner has that she came out with. She did a collaboration with a company, and it's gold plated. I saw Maria Gloria and a few other YouTubers do videos on it, and I really want to try that one out. It's $100 though, I believe. So that's a bit of a leap from Walgreens, Walmart, Target for like 13, 16 bucks to 100. But I also have my eye on that Dyson one, just because it's purple too. And that one's 500. So that's a bit of a jump. I think everything came out okay. we'll see how it goes throughout the rest of the day. If you have any good tips on how you style your hair, whether it's straightening, curling, crimping, braiding, ponytails, whatever it is, let me know in the comments below. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for hanging out. It was pretty nice getting to straighten my hair and seeing how long it is. But anyway, like, subscribe, comment, let me know. Have a great day. Bye.